Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can save your Google Photos to your phone gallery, for example, on your Android really quickly. So drop a like and now let us jump right into it. So head over to your Google Photos application on your Android, and after that browse through your library just like that and pick the photo you would like to save. So let me go, for example, with that one here, tap on it, and after that tap on these three dots in the top right corner of your display and select download from the following drop down menu here. Wait for the download process to be finished. It may or may not take a moment depending on the file size, and once the download has been finished, simply head back to your home screen or home display, access your phone's photo gallery just like that, refresh it if needed, and after a brief moment you will see your photos saved from Google Photos here in your phone gallery, as you can see. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.